Hello everyone, I am Manvi Sinha from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23IS028. Today I will discuss about the topic additive group of integers modulo n in discrete mathematical structures. Additive groups will explore the fundamentals of integers modulo n. Introduction. The additive group of integers modulo n, denoted by Zn, is the set from 0 to n minus 1 with addition modulo n. It forms a group where the operation is addition modulo n, meaning we add two numbers and take the remainder when divided by n. This group is finite, closed, has an identity element that is 0, and every element has an inverse. Now we'll talk about the definition. The additive group of integers modulo n, that is denoted by Zn, is the set from 0 to n minus 1 with addition defined modulo n, forming a finite abelian group under this operation. Basic concepts of additive groups. An additive group consists of a set of elements along with an addition operation that satisfies specific properties. These properties include closure, associativity, identity, and the existence of inverses. In the context of integers modulo n, this means that when you add any two integers within the set, the result is still within the set after applying the modulo operation. Integers modulo n are the equivalence classes of integers under the relation of congruence. This means two integers a and b are considered equivalent modulo n if their difference is divisible by n. The set of integers modulo n is represented as 0 till n minus 1, and operations are performed within this set. We'll talk about the properties of addition in modular arithmetic. In modular arithmetic, addition operation follows specific properties. It is commutative and associative. Additionally, the identity element for addition is 0, and every element has an inverse, which is defined as the number that, when added to the element, results in 0 modulo n. Now, we'll talk about the group structure. Elements of the group. The elements of the additive group of integers modulo n are the integers themselves, represented as 0 till n minus 1. Each element corresponds to a residue class modulo n, and we can perform addition on these elements while ensuring the results correspond to a valid member of the set. Identity element. In the additive group of integers modulo n, the identity element is 0. This means that adding 0 to any element in the group does not change the value of that element. A plus 0 is equivalent to A mod n for any integer a within the group. Inverse elements in the group. In the additive group of integers modulo n, each element has an inverse. The inverse of an element a, denoted as minus a, is the integer that when added to a results in the identity element 0 modulo n. For instance, the inverse of 2 modulo 5 is 3. since 2 plus 3 equal 5, which is equivalent to 0 modulo 5. Now we will talk about the operations. Addition rules in modulo n. Addition in modulo n involves adding two integers and then taking the remainder after dividing by n. For example, if we add 7 and 9 modulo 5, we first compute 16 and then the result is 16 mod 5, which gives us 1. Closure property. The closure property in the additive group of integers modulo n states that if a and b are any two elements in the group, then their sum, a plus b mod n, is also an element of the same group. This ensures that performing the addition operation does not produce results outside the defined set. Associative property of addition. The associative property of addition in modular arithmetic indicates that for any three integers a, b, and c in the group, the equation a plus b in bracket plus c is equivalent to a plus b plus c in bracket mod n holds true. This property allows for flexibility in the grouping of elements during addition. Now, we'll talk about the applications. Cryptography. Modular arithmetic is fundamentally important in cryptography. It is used in public key algorithms such as RSA, where operations are performed under a modulus to ensure the security of data. The properties of additive groups help in the creation of secure encryption keys. Computer science algorithms. Many algorithms, particularly in computer graphics and coding theory, use modular arithmetic to manage cycles and repeat patterns. For instance, in hashing functions, addition under a modulus can help in evenly distributing data across storage. Error detection and correction. In communication systems, modular arithmetic is employed in error detection and correction algorithms like checksums and cyclic redundancy checks (CRC). These systems utilize the properties of the additive group to identify and rectify errors in data transmission. Conclusion. The additive group of integers modulo n provides a structured framework for understanding addition in modular systems. Its applications span multiple fields including cryptography, computer science, and error correction, highlighting its significance in both theoretical and practical contexts. Thank you.